It's pretty cool. You got the red Kevlar inside. I think I'd do white. Here, 5 feet. He puts this thicker end on here, and the rubber end that goes to the hose goes there. And so this is a really good fit. All right, but none of my clamps work. So it's going to cost $1,200 to get a clamp. But all you would do is 5-foot sections, add. I think it's better than anything on the market. But I could send it to you, but you'd have to use duct tape until I order a clamp. But I kind of would like you to check it out. I think you did a beautiful job because you have the 3K outside, and then you have your Kevlar inside, AR Kevlar inside. Almost looks like this is Kevlar on the outside too, but it's super light. They're like less than a pound, so it'd definitely be the strongest cutter pull out there. And at 5 feet with this kind of 5-inch overlap, there'd be nothing like it.